Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to see how to fix the problem of merging two pages now at the same time. I've been trying to merge two pages and I got into trouble, but now I'm going to show you what to do. So what to do here, we wanted to merge this page with this page. So you go to what this page called facebook.com/pages/merge. So let me refresh. Okay, you say you can look for view to take. Okay, and also you say beauty. Okay, well, let me try to merge this. It said no. Okay, that's the message we get. So but if you can say beauty, get that. So the reason why we can't merge this is the Facebook believes that these pages are not similar, you understand. So they say the pages must merge or be the same thing and have similar names. So they say these pages must have similar names. So what are we going to try to do now? We're going to try to get the same name. You get me? So if we win on that, then it's going to be fine. So what I'm going to do here, one of the pages here, I'm going to go to this page and I go to page. No, I'm gonna get this page, go back. I go and get, I go to pages and I go, I copy exactly this, the name of this page. Okay, then the name of that page, if I get it, then I go to other pages and I say pages. Then on under pages, I'm gonna say there's a page I'm looking for, this page. Okay, after getting that page, I'm gonna say edit info. After editing info, I'm gonna delete that name and paste this name, the one I want, and simply means I'm going to accept the request. Okay, I want to change it to that name, even if it's complaining, it's fine. Let me leave that, and I'm gonna say changes have been saved. And to say shopping and retail, we do that. We also do that. We also try to put the same number. Location is the same, number is the same. Okay, then we can click on okay. So we're gonna go to the pages and click here for again, and Facebook, they're trying to say I should claim something. Edit info, online store, description, online store, the same thing. I'm gonna get this description, use the same number, same email address. I could do that. Same address. Okay, the goal here is to try to mimic what is on this page to be on another page. Okay, remember I try to change the page name here. Then we say edit info. And we say, let me see, 65. I'm gonna use this number 9830741, and also I'm gonna say info at view to tech.com. Okay, I'm gonna use view to tech.com. Okay, I'm using that, and I'm trying to basically be to use the same thing on another page. I'm gonna say +7. I choose that. Oh, the number got deleted. 659830 741. Okay, and to save you to take online store. I'll do that. Okay, I've tried to trick that Facebook to see if, and you know, name change takes some time. Let me try to refresh and refresh. And refresh. It can take few minutes or few hours to the name to change to what you want. So you can go back after time when your page has changed. You remember what they told you here is these things should be the same. So if you have that, then you can just go to this page and look for view to tech, and also look for another view to tech, because the name's gonna be the same by now. Okay, you can see, no, you don't have to do that mistake. Let me see. Okay, let me see one of the notifications from Facebook. Okay, no problem. We're gonna save view to tech. Okay, save view to tech. We see if that is done. It's not yet done. Say King Musa, it's done here. Shopping, we say let's try it. This keeps on failing because of one thing, beauty. It needs more time to change the name. Okay, guys, if your pages are the same, then you only have to do what I've done here. to change your page. Once the pages are the same as they say here, and also they do the same thing, if they are the same but giving you problems, so try to change the category for that. If it's a online store, make also the second page to be online store, then you merge into one thing. Yeah guys, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. We could not wait for another page to change the name, it takes time sometimes, but those are the only steps you have to do what we are trying to show you. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.